Xara Web Designer is a popular landing page software, but before you decide to buy it, here are 12 important things you need to know. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of whether Xara Web Designer is the right fit for your needs, especially when compared to other landing page builders out there. The first thing to consider is the ease of use. Xara Web Designer is known for its drag and drop interface, which makes it beginner friendly. However, compared to something like Elementor or Wix, it doesn't offer as many pre-designed templates or widgets. If you're someone who needs tons of customization options right out of the box, you might find Xara a bit limiting. Next, the design flexibility. While Xara gives you total control over your layout, it lacks some of the dynamic content options that you'd find in builders like Webflow or WordPress. If you're looking to build highly complex and interactive pages, you may want to consider other options that offer more versatility. The third thing is the pricing. Xara Web Designer uses a one-time purchase model, which is different from subscription-based services like Squarespace or Wix. While this might seem appealing, you'll miss out on regular updates that come with subscription plans. For some, this could be a deal breaker. The fourth thing you should know is that Xara doesn't have built-in hosting, so you'll need to arrange that separately. This is different from competitors like Shopify or Wix, which provide hosting as part of the package. It's not a huge issue, but it does require a bit more setup and maintenance on your end. Next, let's talk about performance. Xara is solid when it comes to speed, but it doesn't have the same robust performance optimizations that other platforms like Leadpages or Unbounce offer. If you're looking for top-tier loading speeds and an optimized landing page for high conversions, you might have to tweak things more manually with Xara. The sixth thing is the mobile responsiveness. While Xara does offer mobile-friendly templates, it's not as automated as other tools. You'll need to check and optimize your design for mobile, which is more effort than platforms like Wix or Shopify, where mobile responsiveness is handled for you. Next, Xara's integrations. While it supports third-party integrations, it doesn't have the vast selection that competitors like HubSpot or Leadpages provide. If you're already using several other marketing tools, you might find yourself needing workarounds to get everything connected seamlessly. The eighth thing to consider is SEO. Xara offers basic SEO tools, but it's not as comprehensive as WordPress or Webflow. If you need detailed SEO control for search engine rankings, you might want to look at platforms that specialize in this area. The ninth thing is that Xara Web Designer doesn't come with built-in email marketing tools, unlike platforms like Wix or Shopify, which offer integrated email campaigns. This could mean additional costs and tools if email marketing is part of your strategy. The 10th thing to know is the learning curve. Xara is fairly intuitive for simple designs, but if you're aiming for more advanced features, it can be tricky to figure out. Compared to other platforms with more user-friendly features, Xara may require a little more patience. Next, let's talk about customer support. While Xara has decent support, it's not as responsive or comprehensive as that of industry leaders like Wix or Squarespace. If customer service is a priority for you, this is something to consider. The 12th thing to keep in mind is scalability. Xara Web Designer is great for small businesses or personal projects, but it doesn't offer the same scalability as larger platforms like WordPress or Shopify. If you plan on scaling your website over time, you might want to evaluate if Xara will meet your growing needs. To wrap up, Xara Web Designer is a solid choice for simple landing pages, but it might fall short if you're looking for more dynamic features, better integrations, or higher scalability. While it's an excellent option for those who prefer one-time payments, you may find that a subscription-based solution provides better long-term value. If you're looking for a better option, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.